Best travel earphones. Number 1. Earbuds Travel Earphones. Adopted most advanced dual 40mm dynamic sound unit and 6 EQ modes, Earbuds updated headphones wireless Bluetooth Black were born for audiophiles. Simply switch the headphone between balanced sound, extra powerful bass and mid-treble enhancement modes. No matter you prefer rock, jazz, rhythm and blues or classic music, Earbuds has always been committed to providing our customers with better sound quality as the focal point of our engineering. Low power consumption technology applied, Earbuds Bluetooth headphones with built-in 500 mAh battery can continually play more than 65 hours. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Zenique Travel Earphones. High-definition stereo headphones, specially developed software and noise reduction technology designed to prevent you from hearing ambient noises and makes you focus on what you want to hear. Lose yourself in immersive music even in the lowest volume levels. The goal that provide customers with outstanding sound quality is our constant pursuit. The earmuff is made by artificial leather, ensuring lasting comfort. They are foldable and stretchable, which allows you to find the perfect fit without constraint and excellent durability. Zenique is the best choice for travel, sport and daily use by unisex kids, teens, and adults. Built to provide a quick and stable Bluetooth connection. Just slide the on/off button and the headphones will be in ready-to-pair mode. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. JBL Travel Earphones. If headset is too tight, we suggest placing them over a ball or something of similar size/shape. Leave undisturbed for at least 24 hours. Repeat if necessary. Please also try length adjustments of either earpiece until both sides best fit you. The JBL Tune 520 BT features the renowned JBL Pure Bass sound, the same technology that powers the most famous venues all around the world. Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 technology, wirelessly stream high-quality sound from your smartphone without messy cords with the help of the latest Bluetooth technology. Download the free JBL Headphones app to tailor the sound to your taste with the EQ. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Olips Travel Earphones. Olips Bluetooth headphones deliver crystal crisp highs, balanced mids and powerful bass through 40mm acoustic stereo drivers. Equipped with 6 EQ modes, switch according to different music the balanced sound. You can enjoy high-quality crystal clear stereo sound with our over-ear headphones. Strong Bluetooth 5.3 tech, the wireless Bluetooth headphones are compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled devices. Advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology provides a more stable, faster Bluetooth connection and can be paired with 2 devices at once and seamlessly switch between them, meaning you can quickly switch from listening to a playlist on your phone to taking a conference call on your laptop. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Medola Travel Earphones. High-quality sound 6 EQ music modes. Enjoy your favorite music with the Medola B15 Bluetooth headphones over ear. With 6 EQ music modes and a powerful 40mm dynamic sound unit, these wireless headphones deliver exceptional sound quality, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. The headphones provide an impressive 68 hours of playtime, charging 2 hours, so you can enjoy uninterrupted music for days on end. Plus, the included 3.5mm audio cable allows you to switch to wired mode when the battery runs low. Pair easily with phones, tablet, PC, and laptop. Included audio cable. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.